So guys, I'm making an update video on an issue which happened last week, where my profit of about 11,000 rupees turned into a loss of about 73,000 rupees after market hours. So that was clearly concerning. I raised a ticket with Zerodha. I also made a YouTube video because this was the first time I saw such a huge discrepancy in PNL, and I wanted everybody to know so that they can also keep an eye on their PNL and look for discrepancies. So let me just give you guys an update on what actually happened. So this is the email chain. I'm just kind of zooming it out so that you can see it easily. So the first response from them said that we have reviewed your account and do not see any discrepancies, right? But we do know there was a problem, right? So I got back to them and I sent them the screenshot again saying that, look, this is what I actually saw. So you don't see a discrepancy, you don't see an issue in your system, but how can you explain that if I am making 11,000 profit, how is it showing 73,894? Not only is it showing in the position screen of 73,000 rupees loss, also when I went to the dashboard, right? I looked at the dashboard. Dashboard was also reflecting the margins in accordance with a loss of 73,000 rupees. It was not just a display issue on the position screen. This number was taken everywhere, including the dashboard, right? So that's not like just a UI issue. There was something else which was going on. So that's what I asked, that, how can you explain the discrepancy? So then they said, okay, we are going to get back to you as soon as possible. Your patience is appreciated. So I then waited. So then I got this update from them. They said that the loss of 73,000, the display on the position screen after market close, was due to a display issue on kite. Display issue on kite. This did not impact your actual PNL. You can verify the correct figures in your fund statement on console and in the contract note, which is something which I already saw. And they attempted to contact me. I was on a call, so I couldn't attend it. But basically what they said was that, please get in touch with us if you need any information. So here is the thing. From a Zerodha perspective, I think the update was fine, but update was inadequate, right? So what they are saying is, okay, you know what, you didn't incur this much of a loss, so why are you worrying? That's just like, this is a gone issue. But the problem is still there. And that is something which bothered me, that the problem is still there. Are you telling me that this issue is something which can keep happening? Like, where is the assurance that this issue will not happen again? That is the real question, right? What is the real issue? Did you guys take any action to fix the issue? Not just for me, but for everybody. So this is what I wrote to them, that, okay, can you fix that issue so that it doesn't affect anybody in future? This is a serious issue because the trader might inadvertently see a massive loss and lose their emotional state of mind, and we all know what that can sometimes lead to. Please update me on the fix of this issue so that I can share it on the YouTube video. I specifically mentioned this because I wanted them to know that I'm not someone who doesn't have any platform to raise this awareness about this topic. I have a platform. I can bring this issue to the other retail traders, right? It's not a good look on Zerodha if they keep at it, right? So then I got this detailed update from them. We appreciate your feedback regarding the incorrect loss. As mentioned earlier, this was a display only issue and did not impact your actual PNL, which can be verified in your console. This issue was caused by a one-time glitch in the post-market data display. Okay. Our tech team has identified the problem and implemented a platform-wide fix to ensure it does not happen again. Future PNL updates will now accurately reflect both the positions and holding screens. We understand the seriousness of such discrepancies and their potential emotional impact on active traders. Your feedback has been shared with our team, this and that. This is fine. I think this is a good update. I like it. I think this was the first time where I actually saw some kind of a meaningful update talking about what the action that they have taken. we sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused. Again, I never seen anybody apologizing for anything. It is like a very serious problem in India. Like even the airlines, right? They will they can get away with anything, but they will just say, we regret to inform, right? Something like that, but they never apologize for anything. The ticket will be marked as closed, this and that, and it's fine, right? So essentially, the crux of the whole matter is that they had an issue because of which the PNL was incorrectly displayed. Now they say that they have fixed it. Now, I cannot say with 100% certainty that this issue has been resolved, right? Because I don't belong to Zerodha, I don't know what they have done, but I will have to take their word for it. But I really hope that these guys understand what this kind of issue can do, right? Because if it's a technical issue, and by the way, I will give you guys one more thing. Since I made the video, of course, the video actually got a lot of views, right? So people were telling me that, why are you having this video up? The issue was not there. So just bring this video down. It's a negative video and all that. And I think it's not a negative video. See, the thing is that this is a question of principle. In India, retail traders are at the bottom of the food chain. Absolutely nobody cares about the retail traders, and we all know that. Everybody in this industry is feeding on retail traders. Everybody, starting from brokers to exchanges to everybody out there, they depend on the retail traders to fund their businesses. But the contempt that they have for retail traders, but the negative attitude that they have towards traders is just amazing. And one of the reasons they have that is because we don't have any platform. There is no association of retail traders, right? There is no single voice that we can raise. And even if we raise something, people will dismiss us that, oh, these guys are just gamblers, right? Who cares about this? So this is the problem. So people get away with a lot of big problems. And I'm sure if I ask you guys, I'm sure out of 10 people, there will be at least 3 or 4 people who will tell their own stories of how they had to deal with broker issues, which never, ever get addressed. So if I have a platform from where I can raise the voice and I can raise a concern and I can make these brokers give a comprehensive response and take responsibility for their action, I will do that. That is my responsibility to raise the voice. And it's not a negative video. It is a positive video, because see, had I been just a regular trader who created a ticket, I probably would have just gotten a single update, one line update that, this is done. But because, we have a community here, we have several lakh people, who listen, who gather here, they took the problem seriously and they acted on it. It's a good thing for Zerodha. It's a good thing for us, right? So I think it's a good thing which happened. Eventually, I think it's a good thing for everybody, but I will still say, keep an eye on your PNL, because, again, we have to start taking responsibility for our own accounts. This kind of shook my faith in the position screen, which I thought was sacrosanct. I never really questioned what I saw on position screen, but my thing is this, my real problem is this. If you say that there's a technical issue, technical issue means some program ran because of which it calculated a wrong PNL for a position. Now, if it's just a program, it can be a loss of 73,000. It can be a loss of 7 lakh rupees also. It can also be shown as a loss of 73 lakh also, right? Now, imagine for somebody, and by the way, this is not just on the position screen, this is also on the dashboard. So imagine somebody who has a small account, let's say 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, whose position would have been shown as 73 lakh rupees, because again, it's a technical issue, right? It can do anything. It's just a coding problem. There is nobody from Zerodha who will respond to that in the evening, right? You saw this issue in the evening, you call the call center, nobody will answer. Now you are trembling with fear of what actually happened, right? Imagine the distress that a trader might be in for the whole night, who has a capital itself of, let's say, 10-20 lakh rupees, who has to see a loss of, let's say, 73 lakh rupees, for example, right? It can be anything. It's a technical issue. It can be anything. That number doesn't mean anything, right? 73,000 doesn't mean anything. 7 crore doesn't mean anything. So if somebody has to deal with this the whole night, You don't know the vulnerability of a trader, what kind of a stress that they have to go through. So that's what I'm saying. People have to start taking responsibility. They have to start questioning. If something is wrong, they have to push back, right? And they have to make sure that the brokers are taking responsibility for the issues that they are making. So anyway, the matter is resolved. Hopefully we don't see any such problems in future, but that was an update from my side. Hopefully we don't get to see discuss these kind of issues in future, but as a safe point, just keep an eye on your positions and let me know if you guys see any issues. I will be happy to raise your voice on this platform.